What is everyone? This is Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update KB5062554 not updating on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to basically fix this update, not basically error happening, is first go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot settings. In here, click into the additional troubleshoot settings that you see over here and click into Windows Update and run this troubleshooter. This is basically going to resolve any issues that is preventing you from updating your Windows device. The next thing you want to do after you've done this, and let's say this doesn't fix your issue, is to then go to your search bar again and type in services. In here, we're going to find something called Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. So just press W and you'll come to this section here, or just scroll all the way to the bottom. Click into the Windows Update one and double click into this. In here, change the startup type to whatever it is into automatic. If the service is running, stop it and start it again. If it is not running, start the service. Press apply, press OK, restart your computer, try to do the update. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Tutorials out. Peace.